Hey! What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, today's agenda. Long story short, so a couple weeks ago, I went to a car meet. I haven't been to a local city car meet in about 3, maybe 4 years. So me and the gang decided to forward out to the car meet. So we go. The way that night ended, I was stranded, essentially. Christina was stranded, but it was at a family member's house. It was at Chacho's house. My serpentine belt broke on me, man. And ever since that happened, I didn't know I was having cooling issues. So long story short, my thermostat took a crap on me, man. It's a Mishimoto, you know what I mean? People give Mishi some, crap, but it lasted a good while for me. I think what really happened to is when I was driving the car with a broken serpentine belt without me even knowing until like my check engine light came on and it was overheating and everything. I'm thinking that like that broke the thermostat somehow. So that's what's happening. I have a broken thermostat, which is somewhere around here. I took it out of the housing, but this is my broken thermostat. It is stuck closed. It will not open. I boiled it. I did the trick where you put the thermostat in boiling water to see if it works. And to my surprise, it did not work. And what I did last night was I was gonna run my car without a thermostat, but I'm not going to do that. Now in Florida, you don't really need a thermostat. We know that. In Florida or Texas, and when it's hot, you don't need a thermostat. But the way that my beautiful CSF radiator with the Spall fan combo is, the car runs super cool. It won't pop VTEC. Like driving the car, it would be at like a temp of 130-ish. Something like that. So that's not good. It's way too cool. So I need to run a thermostat. So what I did, I ordered a thermostat through Acura, which you guys are sponsored. If you need anything Acura part related, you get 20% off. All you have to do is follow the instructions down below, okay? That's all you have to do. A new thermostat comes tomorrow, and for now I have to drain out the fresh coolant that I put in there. So, yeah. Sucks. Aside from having the garage smell like coolant, we can't really do anything to the car until tomorrow. Yeah, I ordered my thermostat, so I'm just waiting for that to come in the mail. But for now, I gotta give my niece a history lesson on what an Evo is. She asked me what my dream car was. I mean, before y'all think I'm, as the kids say it, capping. Apple, didn't you ask what my dream car was? Huh? Didn't you ask me at breakfast today what my dream car was? Yeah. And what I told you?
Evo?
Do you know what an Evo is?
It's a car.
Oh, see, she don't know. So I'm gonna give her a history lesson on what an Evo is. You heard? I just placed my order for the one thing that I've been needing for a while now. Like, I've been needing it forever. And most people know, and if I plan on really tracking this car how I'm saying I am, and believe me, trust me, bro, trust me, I really do plan on, bro, you guys have no idea how excited I am, bro. Like, going to that track day opened my mind up to like everything. Like, I can't wait, dog. I don't care if I do bad. I just want to go on the track and drive the shit out of this car. That is the goal. But if you guys can tell me what's missing in here. Not a turbo, okay? I didn't order a turbo. This is gonna stay all motor. However, I do want to boost the RSX, but we'll say that for a different story. But what do you guys think I'm missing? What do you guys think? It's an overflow tank. I'm missing an overflow tank. And I am going to mount my overflow right off these two bolts. So my overflow is gonna come way over here and drop right there. Now, I ordered through Chase Bays, and yes, I actually ordered it. Not sponsored at all. I didn't even want to reach out to get sponsored. Why? It's $100. You know what I mean? I can lease, you know, like, okay, give y'all some game. If I need a part for my car that's kind of expensive, right? Kind of expensive could mean anything from like $200 and up. I will try and reach out, as in I will reach out to them and see if they'll give me a discount. Sometimes they're like, yo, we think you're cool. Let's work with you full ride. Pause. And I'm like, all right, cool. So for this, I mean, it's like $108 shipped for an overflow tank. What I'm gonna say, write them a nice long email with all my accomplishments with sponsors and what I did for this company. For what? 100? Come on. You know what I mean? What if females worked like sponsorships? What do you have to write an email? Like send a resume to a female? That would be hilarious. I'd be swimming in some. Today is the day we get the thermostat put in the Integra. Then today we drive said Integra to see if we fix the Integra's problem. Back at the crib. Yo, we got the T-stat, baby. We got some oil filters, baby. Nah, I mean, I paid a whopping total of 83 bones because, you know, I got that discount on deck. And guess what, son? You got that discount, too. All the information you need to know to get your 20% off from my Acura plus free shipping is all in the description box down below. Now, let's fix the Integra, hopefully. You guys see that box right there? You already know what the vibes is, bro. Hold on, focus on the box, baby. Yeah, see, my camera want to focus on the windshield. Focus on the box, Mike. Yeah, there we go, baby. Yeah. You guys should know what that is. If you don't know, it's my new helmet. All right, baby. Here's that brand new. Yes, get it. Now, I was thinking about just drilling the thermostat. Like drilling a hole in it to cool it off. But I don't know, man. I might just ride out like this, pause, but I don't know. What should I do? Ooh, she looks so good. Ooh! Gonna have to wait for it to calm S down because we went to 242. That's not good, but we can't have that 242, dog. That ain't good, bruh. So I'm gonna wait for the car to cool down, and then I gotta go run an errand for Randy and Sophia. Shout out to KMJ Performance for having this bad boy in stock. And nope. What's up, Chico? Okay, so I'm having the issue where it's still reading way too hot. It was chilling at like 203. It was flashing red lights, which means that, warning, your shit's getting hot. And I don't know what's going on. What I'm thinking about doing, I'm just going to take off the front bumper, take off the splitter, and drain the coolant properly, and maybe drill holes into the thermostat. That's what's going on. That's fine though. 200 is like OEM-ish, but this is rated for 180. It should be at 180, 190 tops, not 201. But it was at 206 for the longest. So we'll see, man. We'll see. 185, which isn't bad. That's OEM operating temperature, so I think that's when it opens at 185, so it's constantly flowing that at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know, it just, bro, that 203, I don't like that, bruh. I don't like that at all. I might gotta add another fan though, which is bummer, but I mean, yeah, you know, might gotta add dual fans. I don't know, man, my Mishimoto ran perfect, bro. It ran perfect. Ever since I popped the serpentine belt and drove, that kind of threw up everything, but that's not bad. I had the car at my sister's house idling for like 10 minutes and it only went to 192, so I guess we're good. I guess we good, boy. Yee! I ain't gotta drill shit. Send it! Hold on. Alright, pull up to Randy's house, been for like 5 minutes. 187 is temp. I guess it's getting better the more like I drive it. I don't know. It's weird, but God, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. Job well done. And we got a cool helmet, so. Yeah, hey, that is going to wrap it up for yet another video. I know it's been like 4 days since I last uploaded. What can I do? You know what I mean? I have no parts for the RSX. I already broke my dashboard splitter, so that's that. Sad face, sad face. I need a header, and I am going to be selling the exhaust I picked up because I think I want to run a full Skunk 2 setup. Skunk 2 Mega Power RR exhaust with the Skunk 2 Alpha Series header, but that costs almost $1,000. And I'm trying to put money into the, like, I'm really, you guys understand how motivated I am to track this damn Integra. I'm about to buy some Stop Tech rotors probably tonight. It's like 160 for the rotors, and I am just trying to flat out be good. You know what I mean? I want to be like, I want to be that dude. You know what I mean? That dude. That is the goal, to be that dude. Oh,
Zosh, he used to always talk about how he wanted to track his shit. Now this man's a damn beast.
that's the goal. You know, I get the people talking. You hear me? But other than that, I have to edit this video so I can get it uploaded before 12 o'clock tonight. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, leave a like on the video. If you didn't, dislike it. Yup, I'm out. Peace.